Welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve assignment. The name of the assignment is Excel 6E Hospital equation. Basically it is the sixth chapter of Excel 2019. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically this assignment consists of 16 step. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our step number 1. So step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 6E hospital equation downloaded with the project. So I have already downloaded the Excel 6E hospital equation. So we go on our step number 2. So in this step number 2 it is saying that on the first worksheet, select the data in the range B4 to F8 and then use quick analysis tool to insert sparkle line using the line format. Place the sparkle line in the range adjacent to the year 5 column. Show the high point and last point. Apply a sparkle style using the first sparkle style in the first row. So in this step, on the first worksheet, we insert sparkle line using the range P4 to F8. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range B4 to F8. So B4 to F8 is this one, and in the quick analysis tool, so here is the sparkle line and sparkle line is this one, and show high point and last point. So here is the high point and here is the last point, and apply a sparkle line style. First sparkle line style in the first row. Change the style to first sparkle line in the first row. So our step number 2 is completed. And the step number 3, it is saying that type trend in the cell above the spark line. So in this step we type trend in the cell above the spark line. So we go on our Excel worksheet, here we type trend. So our step number 3 is completed. So in the step number 4, it is saying that using the data for year and for each item category and recommended chart command, create a clustered column chart on a separate sheet name proceeded by category chart. So in this step we insert a clustered column chart using the range B4 to F8. So we select the range B4 to F8. B4 to F8 is this one. In the insert tab, recommended chart, clustered column chart, click OK and move to chart a new worksheet. New worksheet name is to proceed by category name. Control copy this one and paste here. Click OK. So our step number 4 is completed. So in step number 5, it is saying that display the change chart type dialog box on the all chart tab. If necessary, on the left click column and then on the right at the top of dialog box click 3D clustered column, click OK. So in this tab we change the clustered column to 3D clustered column. So we go on our Excel worksheet, in the change chart type clustered column to 3D clustered column, click OK. So our step number 5 is completed. So basically this assignment consists of 16 steps. I have done 5 steps of this assignment. So our step number 6 is apply chart style 5 to the chart and then add a chart title above the chart with the text equation procedure back category. Set the title font size to 28. So in this tab we apply chart style 5 to the chart. So here is the chart style to 5 chart style, and change the chart title to equation procedure back category. Copy this one and paste here to chart title, and select this one and click font size increase to 28. So step number 6 is completed. So in the step number 7 it is saying that format the chart area with solid fill. In the 8th column click the second color. Format the plot area with a solid fill. In the 8th column click the 4th color. So in this step we format the chart area and plot area. So we go on our Excel worksheet. First right click here and format the chart area. In the fill click solid fill, and in the 8th column click second color. So in the 8th column click second color, this one, and format the plot area. Plot area is this one with solid color, and in the 8th column click the 4th color. In the 8th column click the 4th color. Here is 4th column. So our step number 7 is completed. So I have done 7 steps of this assignment. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on this screen and also given in the description of this video.